challenge ng may quota kasi, ano lang talaga, parang you have a quota, you have a target,
Mm.
you have the existing sales. Pero
Mm.
ang kailangan ko lang kasing gawin nun is to really plan and execute. And for me to execute properly, kakausapin ko yung, of course, yung manager muna, then
Mm.
yung team, and
Mm.
then the clients, or ang tawag namin doon is accounts.
Mm.
Accounts. Kasi ang accounts namin doon were mga restaurant owners, caterers. So
Oh.
gano'n. So B2B kami. We provide mga food ingredients sa restaurants, caterers. And talagang ano lang, kailangan ko lang aralin yung product service
Mm.
and the accounts.
Mm.